Start.
Hi everyone, we are here to discuss on more about BSNL. So please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Anisha from Hyderabad.
Hi Anisha. Okay, please tell us about what's your age? Is it okay?
I'm 21.
Okay, and you are okay. What's your education? I mean, how much you?
Yeah, I've done my engineering.
Okay,
I'm a civil engineer.
Okay, okay. So BTech engineering, fine. Okay, what profession you are looking for?
I'm looking to become an HR or a marketing profession.
Okay, fine. Okay, and what's is it okay with you if I'll ask you the annual income of your family?
Yeah, annual income is around 4.3 lakh.
Okay, and okay, so let's come to BSNL. So do you use internet?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so you use internet and more on phone or in
More on computer rather than on phone.
Okay, phone. So what are the applications you use internet for? What are applications in sense social networking, video chat?
Yeah, I do more of Googling and
Okay.
Skype to
Okay.
be in connection with my parents.
Okay, what about travel booking, etc., financial transactions?
Financial transactions, I generally do it via sales agents, not through internet, most of.
Okay, so you'll say more on Google, like searching thing, and email you can say.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. So, where do you use your internet facility more on? Like in cyber cafe, home or
Or at
office?
home.
Home, okay, fine. Okay, and what about mobile? You use internet and mobile also?
No.
Not much, okay. Okay, on an average, how much you spend monthly on internet? Like in
Monthly,
figure?
while I was in Hyderabad, it was around 500 monthly.
Okay, 500. That's fine. That's okay. Okay, which mobile connection do you own?
Airtel.
Airtel. Okay. Okay. So, which mobile handset do you currently use? Like
Nokia, Asha
Nokia
series.
brand. Which model? May I know which model?
I don't remember the model. It's one of the Asha series, TouchPlus
Okay.
keypad.
Touchpad. Okay, fine. So, apart from call and service, what other mobile services are you aware of? Like the gaming, music download. What are the things you do apart from call and SMS?
Apart from call and SMS, generally I wish to use WhatsApp, but that's not there on my mobile. For me, it's more of call and SMS, not more than that.
Okay, so you don't download apps, etc.
No.
Okay, and no music downloading, no gaming, it's in nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, fine. Okay, so do you use internet services on mobile? As you said, not much, right?
Yeah.
Not much. Okay. So why not? I mean, may I know the reason? Is it costly or?
Yeah, because for me, internet is available everywhere.
Okay.
It's a Wi-Fi campus, so it's available everywhere.
Yeah.
And if it were not, then I might have turned to this opportunity of using internet on phone.
Okay.
So when the time comes, I'm not against using internet on phone, but when it's necessary, I'll surely use it.
Okay, so if there is some place where internet is not available,
Yeah.
then you like
Yeah.
to use internet.
I would love
on
to
phone.
use like internet on
That's
phone.
fine. That's okay. Okay. So if I rank, if I want you to rank the following applications, what you say, the like 1 is the most preferable thing and 8 is the most least preferable
Okay.
thing. Okay. So rank these things: email, social networking, video chat, entertainment like video, etc., and information search, travel booking, and financial transactions. What are the things you
Okay,
most prefer?
first will come social networking.
Yes. Okay.
And next videos. I generally watch videos on YouTube.
Okay.
Next searching.
Okay.
And financial transactions
Would
are
be
the least.
Okay.
And traveling,
travel
the
booking
next
and email.
least.
Okay.
Email again the third, I guess.
Third. Okay. Fine. Okay. That's good. Okay. How important is internet on mobile? I mean, how important do you feel that using internet in mobile?
Yeah, when we are constantly on the run, we can't find Wi-Fi everywhere or
Yeah, exactly.
cyber cafes everywhere.
Yeah.
So I think it's very important in today's life.
Okay. Okay. So when you are in constant run, then that's important.
That I would.
And also when you are also in campus, but you are in class and you are not in home,
generally,
there are some urgent mails, etc. coming.
I generally depend upon my friends.
Okay. Okay. It depends upon the social. Okay, fine. Which sources of information do you consider to know price, validity, scheme, etc.? I mean,
Generally Of what?
To know the price, validity, like this booster packs, etc. To know the schemes, which source you most prefer, like advertisements, friends, which source do you most?
Generally friends.
Okay.
And next the shopkeeper, because in Hyderabad, shopkeeper is stay nearby my house. So generally the shopkeeper.
Yeah. So they do know much about.
And then
this
my
booster.
friends.
Okay, fine. Okay, then that's fine. Don't you consider customer care for others? Don't you talk to
Customer care? I would. When there's a specialized plan, when there is a new message popping up in my inbox, I would generally call the customer care and know more about it.
Okay, on that sense, okay.
Yeah.
And next again you have to rank these sources of information in order to your preferences. Okay? Like I asked the last question, the same. Friends and family. Second is TV, newspaper, magazines, billboards, and company websites, customers and retailers. Retailers, as you said, shopkeepers.
Retailers.
Okay.
Billboards.
Okay.
And advertisements. Family and friends. Okay. And what else?
What else? Customer care, company websites and
company websites are the least, because I don't much prefer the company websites, and because there are sources of information everywhere. And newspaper. Newspaper also I would consider in the offers.
Okay. And the next is, how do you come to know about the mobile internet application and services? The first time you use mobile internet application.
Through my friends.
Through your friends. Okay, then again you have to rank these things, that apart from your friends, whom else you talk to about this mobile internet services? Like friends, TV, newspaper, billboards, company websites, and customer care. Do you ever talk to customer care about the mobile internet applications?
No, but billboards, because billboards are more accessible.
Yeah.
So I think billboards.
Okay, fine. Okay, how much time do you spend on an average on this internet services on mobile? I mean, whenever you use, I know that you use very less on this time. So on an average, how much do you time?
If given a choice, I would for this normal usage, I wouldn't want to spend more than 100. But if I want to use more of it, I'm not apprehensive about shutting out more money.
Okay, no. What about the time on average, like on daily basis?
Okay, daily basis on phone, internet, not more than 1 hour.
Okay, 1 hour is more than enough. Okay. So how much are you willing to pay for the usage mentioned by you? Like you said,
a normal usage, not more than 100. But as I said, if I'm constantly on the run, then I would be willing to pay 100 or 200 more.
Okay. Then that's okay with you. Okay. So then I'll ask the factors that most affect you when you use internet. How much important is price? How much important is the price package of internet?
Price package is very important, because nowadays internet is accessible everywhere.
Yeah.
Even if you say McDonald's, to get Wi-Fi in there. So I would say price is very sensitive in these kind of decisions.
Okay.
So price is very important as of now for internet.
You consider price is very important. Next, validity, like 1 month validity.
Validity is because of this online services, payment and everything. So validity shouldn't bother me much.
Okay, validity not much. Okay. And the amount of data usage, like they give 1 GB package, 2 GB package. So how much important it is? For example, let's say 1 GB package for 1 month and 2 GB package for 1 month. So, but the 2 GB package will be obviously more costlier. It will be costlier. So which one will you go for? 1 GB package or 2 GB package?
Again, depends upon my usage. So if my usage is more, I would go for a 2 GB. Okay. And if I think for that particular month, if I think I can get an internet service elsewhere, I would take only 1 GB package.
Yeah, so it depends upon the usage. Okay, and how much important is the speed of the internet?
Speed is very important, because we don't have time to waste.
And it's irritating also.
Yeah, very irritating.
Okay, so again, I want you to rank these things: price, validity, amount of data usage, and speed. So which one is most preferred?
Price, speed, amount of data, and validity.
Okay, fine. So, okay, you know about 3G services which are launched recently. Okay, so do you use 3G services? Not much.
Not much of my mobile.
Okay, then it's fine. Last question, you use Airtel, right, as you said.
Yeah.
So why Airtel? Why not any other services? Why not BSNL, or why not any other services?
Because it is available in our campus. Okay. And other services are not available.
So you are saying that Airtel is more accessible?
Accessible, that's it.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, Anisha. That's it for this.